This Arco tote has been crafted at the Italian workshop from fluffy shearling, hand-woven into a blown-up intrecciato pattern. The tonal leather top handles fit comfortably in the crook of your arm, and the attached internal pouch keeps small items secure. Bottega Veneta's contemporary design focus crafts this greeny Arco tote from fluffy shearling, giving the house's trademark intrecciato weave a graphic texture. It's made in the Italian atelier with a leather-structured base and curved rolled top handles for dexterity. Use the accompanying internal pouch to house your phone, cards and keys. Bottega Veneta's light yellow Arco tote is made from panels of shearling. The design has an open top and secures with a simple self-tie, enabling you easy access to your phone on the go. Internal details: leather lining, color of fastening, gold top handles. Made in Italy.